Alright, so I got to start thinking about some things here. Getting ready for the next part of this to tackle. It's probably going to be multifaceted somewhat. We'll just flip the camera around and show you what I got going on here. So heater core is going to go in here. So I got to think about getting ready to install that so that I can plan on running the water lines for that, as well as probably exhaust and headers and probably the collector, so I can start figuring out how the fuel line needs to be ran, the rest of it going to fuel pressure regulator, soft line going up to the rail. Fuel's probably going to be coming up through here somewhere. And then the rest of the radiator lines for the inlet and the outlet. Outlet's coming in over here. So I will probably either change this housing, or it's a rotatable housing. I just loosen it up and turn it, clock it, rotate it to how I need it to go. Probably have the hot side exiting to the top of the radiator. That way the colder air can, or colder water can kind of settle towards the bottom to go back to the engine, which will be up here. Part of the issue is that these right here are about 1.25 inches, and the radiator inlets and outlets are 1.5 inches, so I'm going to have to do some adapting there, and then finish putting in the fan. So that's the part that I'm probably going to start working on now. Stay tuned.